Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes in Toca Boca. First, you'll need to find all the necessary ingredients like flour, sugar, and eggs within the game. Then combine them in a mixing bowl to prepare your batter. After that, bake your cupcakes until they are perfectly golden. Finally, add some fun decorations to make them look delicious and unique. To begin, head to the kitchen in your Toca Boca home. Look for the flour, sugar, and eggs, which are usually stored in cupboards or on shelves. You'll also need a mixing bowl and a spoon. Make sure you have all these items ready before you start combining them. Gathering everything first makes the process much smoother. Once you have your ingredients, drag each one into the mixing bowl. Use the spoon to stir them together until you have a smooth batter. Next, pour this batter into a cupcake tray. Then, carefully place the tray into the oven. The cupcakes will bake automatically, so just wait a short moment for them to be ready. After your cupcakes are baked, take them out of the oven. Now comes the fun part, decorating. Choose from various frostings and sprinkles available in the game. Drag your chosen decorations onto each cupcake to make them look amazing. You can create many different designs. Finally, enjoy your delicious homemade Toca Boca cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.